Hello, fellow cyclist YouTubers. I just want to briefly show you just a small preview of the next project I have coming up. Um, it's the whole theme of the whole bike build. Right now, this is um, customized Eagle Sram GX rear derailleur with some custom anodized components. Also adding a Kogel Kolossos rear derailleur cage. I went extreme with this, and I'll just show you what I have planned here. Um, so this is the Sram Eagle GX rear derailleur. Already custom anodized the B Bolt here and added some matching derailleur bolts, high and low screws, and the B screw here. Also custom anodized the links. This is a Madrone link. I'm going to be adding it to the removing the Sram links and putting this Madrone link here. Also, here's the colossal cage I have here. Check it out. Custom anodized. Let me take it out here for you. Here it is, guys. Just to give you a general idea of what it'll look like after I piece this thing together. The link here should be going like this, but just for visual purposes. Look at the beautiful anodizing. Just to show you guys. Well, thanks for watching. Take care.